Good day, everybody. It's Tamara here with Coldwell Banker, here to introduce you to a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo in River Ridge Lane. The beauty of this unit is that your parking spots, you have 2 parking spots right in front of the unit, which is awesome. So you have 1,550 plus square feet of living space, just under 300 square feet of storage space. Let's go take a look. All right, in we go. Brand new flooring throughout. Welcome. Basement is nearly finished. Fresh paint, bright, clean. And still in the living room, giving you another angle of this. Lots of light and west-facing unit. So in the evening, you're gonna get tons of sun. All right, back it up a bit. So off the main floor, the living room, you have a full bathroom. Lovely. And another angle of the same bathroom. So 4-piece bathroom. And out we go, and you have the first bedroom. So there's 3 bedrooms. Look at the floor. Gorgeous. 3 bedrooms on the main floor. In the same bedroom, just giving you another view. Lots of light. So you're gonna have some sun coming in there in the evening as well. Awesome. Nice size closet. All right. Coming out of the first bedroom, we have a second bedroom. Again, lovely. So this is the second bedroom. A nice size closet. All of them have nice size closets. And coming out of the second bedroom, this door here leads to the downstairs, which I cannot wait to show you. But first, let's take a look at this lovely kitchen. And again, there's new flooring throughout most of the home. Kitchen, this is the original flooring, and gorgeous cabinetry, counters. These are granite countertops. I believe the cabinetry is maple. Brand new stove there. Gorgeous. All right, so we're going to go into the third bedroom now, the master room. Lots of light. Right. Nice big closet. It's a good space. Electric heat, of course. Another angle of the master bedroom, and they have a 3-piece ensuite. Gorgeous. Of course, you have the granite countertops. Beautifully tiled shower. Still in the ensuite, just giving you another view. All right, let's go check out the basement. The majority of the basement is finished. Let's go. All right, so even the stairs were done. Gorgeous. Right, lots of light. Let's go. And here we are in the completed basement. Got a TV area, living room, pool table, gorgeous floors. It's perfect. We're in the same family room in the basement, showing to you that it's complete, turnkey, beautiful. Okay, so through these doors to the left, we have a huge storage area, laundry room, and maintenance area, which we're going to go into right now. Let's go. And that washer looks fairly new. The plastic's still on it. So obviously, clearly, they're getting ready to move. So this huge storage area is filled up. Just to give you an idea of the size, it's just under 290 square feet for the unfinished space, including the laundry area. Okay. And this door here is just another storage door, which I'm not going to open up because it's full of stuff. Anyhow, there you go. There's lots of possibilities. Either keep it as it is right now, or you could do other things with it. Okay, let's go back upstairs to give you a view. Well, there you have it. Just giving you another shot of this gorgeous kitchen. Nice and spacious living room and west facing, as I mentioned. I just want to show you something else again. And bam, I open the front door and guess whose parking spots these are? Right there and right there. So you don't have to go far. Your spots are right in front of the unit. Well, there you have it. Unit 83 in River Ridge Lane. Beautiful home. Give me a call. Send me a text if you want to check out this property or any other property listed by any other company or agency or agent. I can show you. I'd be happy to. Take care now.